Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to see flight routes on Google Maps. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to go to your browser and type Google Maps. Then open Google Maps. After opening Google Maps, you should first choose a point to start from. I'm gonna type Cairo, for example. Then, as you can see now, there are options right here. Choose directions, and by default, the place that I have selected is moved to the endpoint. So now I have to click on this box right here and type the starting point. I'm gonna write Sharm el-Sheikh, for example. And as you can see, there is a line, but make sure to select this one right here to show you the flights. By default, you can see this option selected right here, but in order to see only the flights, you should click on this icon right here. After that, you can see the route of the flight, and you can see its duration, and also it may show you the price of the flight. Here's our starting point, Sharm el-Sheikh, and our end point, Cairo International Airport. And sometimes when you search, you may not find any flights to this location. I'm gonna try, for example, South Korea. As you can see, South Korea is right here. And as you can see here, there are no flights from South Korea to Cairo. But if I try to put another location, I'm gonna type, for example, Chinatown, London, UK. As you can see, there is a flight from Chinatown in London to Cairo, and this is its route. As you can see, it will take about 4 hours and 45 minutes from Chinatown to Egypt. And you can also reverse the starting and destination by clicking on this icon right here. As you can see now, the same route, but it will take more time to fly from the starting point to the destination. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.